guys, welcome back to Wyld Eats. My name is Allie.
I'm Caroline.
And we are the Wyld Honeys.
Today we are in Crested Butte at our friend's campsite. We have a whole weekend of shenanigans planned. It's beautiful out here today, and we're gonna kick it off with a big dinner for all of our friends who are coming by later.
We are making some barbecue smashed taters with hot honey ranch. And then we are also making a watermelon salad.
It's nice and hydrating, herbaceous,
Colorful.
it's gonna be delicious. So we have some boiled potatoes here. They are pretty petite. They're like waxy kind of potato. They're nice and dry. That's gonna be important to make sure that they get nice and crispy when we smash them.
So leave them out after you boil them. Leave them out for a good
5-10 minutes, yeah. They should dry off pretty quick. And Allie is gonna be taking care of the smashing today.
I was born to do this. I'm gonna use my hand. You can also use whatever tool you would like to smash these, but I'm gonna
Beer
use
can, mason jar,
whatever your heart desired. I'm gonna use the palm of my hand right here.
clean hand.
It's been washed. I'm gonna set them on our little cutting board, and it's just gonna be an easy little squish, and they're gonna look like this.
Gorgeous.
Ooh. So we have all of our potatoes smashed here, and then we're gonna take them and coat them in our barbecue seasoning.
Here we have a mix of spices. We have salt, pepper, onion and garlic powder, smoked paprika, and chili powder. And we're just gonna add a little bit of oil and make like basting kind of.
A little glaze.
Yeah, a little glaze.
A little happy seasoning
Yeah.
moment.
We're gonna add a little bit of oil to our hot pan.
I'm gonna take these taters and then put them in this hot oil to let them fry a little bit.
And now we're just gonna brush these potatoes with our barbecue spice mixture. That already smells so flippin' good. We're gonna let these fry up. Make sure you don't flip them around, move them around too much. We want them to get a nice crispy kind of skin on the bottom. So we're just gonna leave them to cook here. And in the meantime, we're gonna get started on our hot honey ranch.
So we're gonna take a little bit of sour cream. I'm gonna put half of this in to start. Is that gross?
No. Yeah. We're gonna add some honey in next. We'll start with that.
And then we're gonna do chili crisp.
I would do like 3 of those. Yeah. Okay, perfect. Next, we'll add in our ranch seasoning packet. This is very important.
Do not skip this step.
I want the wind to blow it. We'll add in some red pepper flakes to make it extra hot and spicy. Does that smell good?
Sure does.
Yeah, it does. We have some fresh dill that we'll just give a rough chop.
Feels so good.
Yeah, it smells amazing. Dude, I am so obsessed with the smell of dill.
Ooh.
I'm gonna check and make sure these are hot. We could do a little more chili crisp.
Yeah, I agree on that. Okay.
Yeah, we're going crazy on the chili crisp. Is that too much?
No. The honey really sweetens it up.
She's good. She's okay.
And the chili crisp makes it nice and spicy.
So these should be ready to flip right about now. Ooh. You can see they're nice and crispy and dark. We'll just let them get crispy on this side for about another 5-10 minutes and then check on them.
All right, I'm gonna take our dip here, set it on our plates. This is how we're gonna serve it so that everybody can
Take a scoop.
take a nice scoop.
And then I'm gonna come in with my Crispies.
Next, we're gonna be making a watermelon salad. And we have I really hope this is a good watermelon. I like to suggest I'm a good watermelon picker, but we're gonna see on that one.
It's always a gamble. I have heard that if there's like a yellow spot on the side, that's like a good indicator that it's extra sweet.
And this one almost has 2, so I feel like we're gonna be good.
I think we're gonna be in the clear.
And then, so with this salad, we have some tomatoes, basil, feta, balsamic, and some salt.
Salt and pepper.
Okay, so how we're gonna cut this? We're gonna cut it in half. Woo! Cut and then fourths, and then eighths.
All right, so we're just gonna slice some of these cherry tomatoes and toss them in with the watermelon.
From there, we're gonna take it to, where are we taking it to? The next level, you know it. From there, we're gonna grab the basil, balsamic, and top it off with some feta.